Yeah, guys, today we'll continue with our discussion on mixtures and allegations. So let me take this set of problems. This video is it will be very short and crisp. Uh, yeah, let me go with the jump into the first problem. So the problem given is the ratio of milk and water in a vessel is 4 is to 7. If 25 liter of water is added, then ratio becomes 6 is to 3. Okay, guys, just notice initial milk and water ratio is given as 4 is to 7 initially. This is initial, and later water is added. So water added, and the ratio becomes 6 is to 13. Clear? So, guys, you can clearly understand here only water is added, right? Milk is not added. Milk, there is no alteration of milk here. So, the quantity of my milk will be same, right? Same quantity will be there. But in the ratio, I find the numbers of the part of milk is different. So what I will do is I'm going to make my milk parts. I'm going to make my milk parts 4 and 6 same in the both the ratios. How? Simple. Just make it to a common multiple of 4 and 6. So how you can do? So the common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. So I'll make in this way. I'll multiply my initial ratio with 3 and the later ratio with 2 so that 4 threes the milk and water part. So 4 threes 12, 7 threes are 21 and 6 twos are 12 and 13 twos are 26. Is it clear? Now I made my milk same, right? I made my milk same. So now simple what you need to do. Just check how much. So this ratio, this is in the proportion right now. And in this only water added, how many units? 5 units. Where in the problem it is given 5 units is how many liters? 25 liters. So 5 units, 25 liters. So 1 unit, 25 upon 5, 5 liters. Fine, I got 1 unit value. Now what? He's asking initial quantity. Initial quantity is will be 12 plus 21. So 12 plus 21 is 33 units. So 1 unit is 5 liters, then 33 units will be 33 into 5, 165 liters. That's it. So that's it. That's the first problem. Let me go with second problem now. Yeah, 200 liters of mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 17 is to 3. After addition of some or more milk to it, the ratio of milk becomes 7 is to 1. The quantity of milk added to it was. This is also similar to previous problem, guys. Initial ratio milk and water is given as 17 is to 3. Later it is given as 7, some milk has been added and it became 7 is to 1. Now in this ratio only milk added, right? Only milk is added. So that means water is constant or same. So I'll do the manipulations and I'll make my water constant. Same, simple. Multiply the first ratio with the number of, I mean the part of water in the second ratio, which is 1, and second ratio with the part of water in the first ratio, which is 3. So now milk and water ratios will become 17 is to 1, 17 into 1, and 3 into 1 will be this. And 7 times 3, 21, 1 times 3 is 3. Now I know my water is same. My water is same, 3 parts. So as we know that only milk has been added. Here in the ratio milk added is how many parts? 4 units. Correct. So 4 units is added according to the ratio. So we need to calculate this one 4 units. But we already clearly know the initial ratio 17 is to 3 is nothing but 20 units. 20 units initial quantity 20 units as 200 liters, correct? So then 20 units 200 liters, then 1 unit 10 liters. So similarly, 4 units will be 4 into 10, 40 liters. That's it. This is my second question answer. Okay, let me go with the third problem, guys. So similar problem. Now the ratio of milk and water in a vessel by chemical process, sorry, the ratio of milk and water in a vessel is 2 is to 3 by chemical process. If, okay, 2 is to 3, here, full stop. By chemical process, if we extract some water, then the ratio becomes 5 is to 7 and quantity of mixture reduced to 36 liters. So then find how much quantity of water was extracted. So it's given initial ratio of milk to water is 2 is to 3. Now extraction of water added, sorry, water extracted, later the ratio becomes 5 is to 7, and he told the quantity of mixture reduced to, that means the quantity, later quantity is given, which is 36 liters. So how much quantity of water has been extracted, he is asking. So here clearly we can understand that only water has been extracted, right? That means milk is quantity same. So previous, similar to my previous discussion, what I need to do, I need to make milk same. So 2 and 5 should make to a same number. So we'll multiply with each other. So we'll multiply first ratio with 5 and the second ratio with 2. So that milk part will be same. Milk units will be same. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. So milk is same. So simply here how much is been extracted? 1 minus 1 unit. So it's given the later quantity, correct? So if you observe 10 plus 12, 14, so 24 units is how many liters he mentioned? 36 liters he mentioned. So 24 units, 36 liters. Then we need how much? Answer for it, 1 unit. This is nothing but water extracted. 36 by 24 will get 1.5 liters. So we can say 1.5 liters of water has been extracted. So this is a other set of problems, guys. We'll continue our discussion with the next in the next video.